Microsoft Copilot is an advanced AI-powered tool integrated into Microsoft 365 applications, designed to enhance productivity and streamline workflows. It leverages natural language processing and machine learning algorithms to assist users in tasks such as document creation, data analysis, and project management. The best Microsoft Copilot applications for Android provide a seamless user experience, enabling users to interact with the software using conversational prompts. This allows for easy generation of content, insightful data insights, and quick access to relevant information without extensive manual input. Copilot enhances collaboration by suggesting edits, automating repetitive tasks, and providing contextual assistance, making it a valuable asset for professionals seeking to optimize their work processes. Its integration with popular apps like Word, Excel, and Outlook ensures that users can leverage its capabilities across various productivity tasks, ultimately improving efficiency and effectiveness in their work.